Nature and You presents Molecules. All items in the universe are made of molecules. Yes, everything from the biggest rings around Saturn to squirrel eggs is bursting with molecules. But just what are these invisible egg planet building blocks? Well, to fully understand molecules is a futile effort that no one can possibly accomplish. Bearing that in mind, let us move on to understanding molecular energy. All molecules are volatile beings and can become dangerously unstable at any moment. For example, female humans experience bone loss when their bone molecules suddenly burst forth. Why, even the molecules of these simple metal rods could become a scientific nightmare upon impact with this tank. However, I am a trained professional.
I love him so much. I love him so much. He buy me a Coke and take me to movie. He love me so much. He love me so much. He buy me a Coke and take me to movie. I love him so much. I love him so much. He buy me a Coke and take me to movie.
Coca-cola!